Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best INR account Forex trading brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The rupee is the 20th most traded currency worldwide, with a volume of approximately $53 billion traded daily in the spot and futures trade. The currency is regulated by the Reserve Bank of India, and the country has been recognized as an open emerging market economy that has made an effort to liberalize its policies with fewer controls on investment, foreign trade, the privatization of state companies, and less regulation of the industry. The country has a diversified economy based on industry and both large-scale and small-scale farming that has posted growth rates in the last decade of more than 5% annually. The country's growth outlook has been recognized as positive due to a youthful population, strong savings and investment rates, and growing integration into the global economy. India's top trade partners include the United States, the United Arab Emirates, Hong Kong, China, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, the United Kingdom, Sri Lanka, and Vietnam. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the top 5 best INR account Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best INR account Forex trading brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have OctaFX. OctaFX is an online broker that was established in 2011. As OctaFX is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, over 300,000 traders use OctaFX as their preferred financial broker. Specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader platforms, which are supported on web-based browser applications, Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts feature MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader accounts, with floating spreads, lower minimum deposits, a variety of tradable market instruments, hedging, scalping, advisors, and more. OctaFX also provides their very own educational panels, which covers the basics to Forex trading, a collection of video tutorials, market insights and news, technical analysis panels, an economic calendar, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading education and knowledge with OctaFX. At number 4 on our list is Hot Forex. Hot Forex is the brand name of HF Markets Limited, and in addition to providing world-class trading solutions, is strictly regulated, with a great emphasis placed on ensuring the safety and security of clients' funds in the best ways possible. Regulated and authorized with the FCA, the CYSEC, the DFSA, and the FSCA, Hot Forex specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, HF copy, and swap-free accounts, with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, a large number of simultaneous open orders, 24 hours, 6 days a week customer support, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, beginner courses, tutorials in platform functionality, a featured trading podcast, as well as a number of live webinars, which you can sign up to for a more personal educational experience with Hot Forex. Coming in at number 3, we have Dukascopy. Dukascopy is an online fully regulated financial broker located in Geneva, Switzerland, with operating offices in Zurich, Riga, Hong Kong, Kyiv, Moscow, and Kuala Lumpur. Regulated by the Swiss Ministry of Finance, Dukascopy offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, bonds, energies, commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on the JForex and MetaTrader 4 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on LiveFX, current Swiss bank, and gold accounts, which are available in both live and demo accounts, with a variety of available account options for general Forex, binary options, and other trading. Dukascopy's accounts are tailored specifically to different types of trading and investment activity. Dukascopy also provides their very own learning center, which features beginner educational video tutorials that delve into topics such as platform functionality, various how-to guides, webinars you can sign up to, market news and analysis panels, as well as a large repository of written trading articles for you to browse through if you are looking for more trading education and to expand your knowledge with Dukascopy. At number 2 on our list is Swissquote. Swissquote is an online fully regulated financial broker, regulated by the Swiss Federal Financial Market Supervisory Authority, and is a member of the Swiss Bankers Association. Founded in the year 2000 with its headquarters located in Switzerland, over 400,000 traders choose Swissquote as their preferred financial broker. Swissquote offers traders the ability to trade in Forex, CFDs, and options on a variety of asset classes, which include currency pairs, FX options, metals, indices, commodities, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on Swissquote's Advanced Trader platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on standard, premium, prime, and professional accounts with lower spreads, no commissions, expert advisors, access to over 200 Forex and CFD instruments, and more. Swissquote also provides their very own educational section, which features courses in financial trading, a variety of downloadable ebooks that delve into introductions, risk management, among other trading topics, webinars that you can sign up to, as well as a trading glossary for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with Swissquote. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best INR account Forex trading brokers we have Forex.com. Forex.com is a one-stop shop for Forex traders, providing a massive range of tradable currencies, low account minimums, and an impressive trading platform. Forex.com offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as Forex.com's advanced trading platform for web, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on standard, commission, direct market access, and swap-free accounts, with access to their web and mobile platforms, lower Forex fees, a variety of tradable currencies, an active trader program, and more. Forex.com also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a wide variety of educational themes, such as risk management, technical and fundamental analysis, a beginner's trading guide that features educational videos, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Forex.com. And those are some of the top 5 best INR account Forex trading brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.